Igawin talaga.
Hi guys! Hi guys, so today's video there's a new secret and ma
Ano nga nangyari? Nag-jump ka na
so
sa
guys,
ano,
today's video
hati.
we got a new secret in Brookhaven, so which is I'm gonna tell you what it is. So this is how a new secret in Brookhaven. First, this guy doesn't know at the video, and he actually didn't know there was a book in the bushes. For real. Yeah, I'll show you. And it is night. It is kind of scary. And and this is kind of nervous. There it is, the book in right here, and it has sounds on it. Okay, so if you go in here, I know there's